Hello students, today we are going to start with the decoder circuits. What are the decoder circuits? These are again the combinational circuits where the present output is depending only on the present input. So let us start with the definition of the decoder circuits. Decoder circuits are defined as a combinational circuits that has n input lines and maximum of 2 raised to power n output lines. It means what? Decoders are again many inputs, many outputs, same as that of the encoder circuits. Decoder circuits, what do we have? The one of the output will be active at one time एंड कौन सी आउटपुट हमारी हाई होगी वो किस चीज पे डिपेंड करेगा? दैट विल डिपेंड ऑन द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द इनपुट्स विच आर प्रेजेंट्स एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम. Decoder circuits detects a particular code. This is the block diagram of n is to 2 raised to power n decoder. Suppose I have 3 number of inputs, then how many outputs will be there? There will be 2 raised to power 3, 8 outputs will be there depending on the number of inputs equal to 3. Similarly, you can design any type of decoder circuit. For 4 number of inputs, there will be 16 outputs and so on. Before we start with the detailed circuits of the decoders, let us understand the difference between the decoder and the demultiplexer. Demultiplexer already हम पढ़ चुके हैं. Demultiplexer circuits क्या थे? They were also the combinational circuits and decoders are again the combinational circuits. Then what is the difference between the two? Decoder circuits decodes an encrypted input signal to the multiple output. As I already told you that decoders are many is to many. It means many number of inputs are there and correspondingly many number of outputs are present. So what the decoder circuits are going to do? They are going to convert one format of the signal of the data into the another one. But in case of demultiplexer, what we have single input and a multiple output. एक टाइम पे एक ही आउटपुट पे मेरा इनपुट कनेक्ट होता है. वो किस चीज पे डिपेंड करता है डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर में कि कौन सी आउटपुट पर इनपुट का कनेक्शन होगा. दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सेलेक्ट लाइन. सो one another difference between the decoder and demultiplexer is in case of decoder we do not have any select lines, but in case of demultiplexers we have the select lines. N input lines and maximum of 2 raised to power n output lines. In case of demultiplexer we have single input and multiple outputs. It means n number of select lines are there, then 2 raised to power n outputs will be there. Now here in this case the number of outputs are depending on the select line, but in case of decoder the number of output lines are depending on the number of inputs. Decoders are the reverse of encoders and demultiplexers are the reverse of multiplexer. Decoders are used to detect bits for encoding the data and they are used in the memory system of computers, and in different networking applications we use decoder circuits. And demultiplexer circuits हमारे कहाँ use होते हैं? Demultiplexers are the data distributors. So these are used where the data is to be distributed. They are used in the switchings, they are used in the communication system, and also if we want to convert serial data into the parallel, then also we can use demultiplexer circuit. Decoder, as I already told you, we do not have any select lines in case of decoder, but in case of demultiplexer we have select lines. So these are few differences between decoder and demultiplexer circuits. Let us now start with some examples of decoder circuit. We will take the example of 3:8 line decoder. In case of 3:8 line decoder, how many inputs are there? We have 3 number of inputs and 8 number of output lines. 3 number of inputs are there and 8 number of output line. N is equal to 3. The number of outputs are 2 raised to power n, so it will be 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8. So this is known as 3 to 8 line decoder, or also known as 1 of 8 line decoder. And this 3 is to 8 line decoder, 3 to 8 line decoder is also known as binary to octal converter. Why? Because in this case we have 8 number of output lines, और octal में हमारे पास कितना outputs होती हैं? We have 8 outputs starting from 0 to 7. So these are the base number for octals. Therefore this 3 is to 8 line decoder is also known as binary to octal converter. This is the block diagram of 3 is to 8 line decoder where we have A, B, C, 3 inputs. These are the input lines and these are 8 output lines. Which output will be high? किस चीज पर डिपेंड करेगा? That will depend on the number of inputs. Suppose I have the input combination 0 0 0. तो 0 0 0 के लिए हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगा? A, B, C जब 0 0 0 है then D naught will be high and the rest of the outputs will be low. Similarly for 0 0 1 D1 will be high and so on. Based on this principle, let us understand or complete the table of truth table for 3 is to 8 line decoder. See, here are the number of inputs A, B, C and we have 8 output lines D0, D1, D2, D3 up to D7. So, when combination of A, B and C is 0, 0, 0, D1 will be high. So, correspondingly, what will happen? We will have D naught is equal to A bar, B bar and C bar. Because we have 8 outputs, so we need to convert all this truth table into different expressions of D naught, D1 up to D7. So अब हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? We are going to find out the expressions for D naught to D7, all the outputs. When A, B, C is 0, 0, 1, A is 0, B is 0, C is 1, which output will be high? It will be D1 will be high. Similarly, for all the combinations of A, B and C, the corresponding outputs will be high. Let us consider the last case when A, B and C are 1, 1, 1. तो इस केस में हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगा? जो D7 है वो हाई हो जाएगा, बाकी आउटपुट्स क्या होंगी? 0 हो जाएंगी. Fine. इस तरह से we will calculate all the expressions and when you will calculate the expressions D naught to D7, they will be come out to be D naught is A bar, B bar, C bar, D1 is A bar, B bar, C. Similarly, for all the values, we will get the expressions. Now, the next step will be again the realization of the circuit. Here we are going to realize the circuit using AND gates. आप इसको NAND से भी बना सकते हैं और NOR से भी बना सकते हैं. For that, what you have to do? You have to convert these expressions into the corresponding gates. So what I have did here, we are using AND gates. तो हमने क्या किया? यहाँ पर A NOT gate लगा लिया. We will get A bar. Similarly B, B bar, C and C bar. So these are the 8 outputs. So corresponding to D naught, we have A bar, B bar, C bar. So I have connected A bar, B bar and C bar and connected all these inputs A bar, B bar, C bar to a single AND gate and the output is D naught over here. Similarly for D1 it is A bar, B bar, C. तो हम यहाँ से क्या करेंगे? A bar, बी बार और सी ले लेंगे एंड गेट पर कनेक्ट कर देंगे. द आउटपुट विल बी D1. Let me write the expressions. D naught is equal to A bar B bar C bar. D1 is equal to A bar B bar C. D2 क्या है हमारे पास? A बार है, B है और C बार है. तो मैंने तीनों कनेक्शंस यहाँ से इसके corresponding वायर से ले लिए and then we have connected into the third AND gate and what will be the output? D2 will be equal to A bar B C bar. Correspondingly we will have D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. So you will write all the expressions. A bar B C, A B bar C bar, D5 is A B bar C, D6 is A B C bar and D7 is A B C. So this was the simple circuit for the 3:8 line decoder using AND gate. These circuits are also known as binary to octal decoder. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे पास 3 inputs हैं. They are in binary combinations starting from 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 and the outputs are corresponding to D0 to D7 which are the combinations for the octal. Octal में हमारे पास 8 base numbers होते हैं starting from 0 to 7. So here also we have 8 outputs starting from 0 to D0 to D7. So these type of decoder circuits are also known as binary to octal decoder. Take one more example where we are going to design BCD to decimal decoder. Now you already know BCD numbers क्या होते हैं. We have starting from 0 to 9 and the number of inputs required will be 4 and the format of the inputs will be in BCD. So हमारा जो number inputs का जाएगा वो कहाँ से 0 से लेके 9 तक ही जाएगा maximum and correspondingly we will have decimal numbers starting from D0 to D9. So in case of BCD to decimal decoder what will we have? We will convert binary coded decimal numbers into its decimal equivalent. 4 inputs and 10 outputs will be there. 4 inputs क्यों ली है? क्योंकि जो हमारा BCD नंबर है it is from 0 to 9 and the required number of inputs to get this combination is just 4. तो हमने यहाँ पे number of inputs हम कितना लेंगे? 4 and the number of outputs why 10? Because decimal number base numbers are starting from 0 to 9. So the outputs will be D0 to D9. Fine. So here will be 4 number of inputs and 10 number of outputs. This is the truth table for BCD to decimal decoder which is somewhat same as that of 3:8 line decoder. How we have completed it? Just take a review quickly. क्या है? यहाँ पर हमारे पास 4 number of inputs हैं A, B, C and D. So for all these inputs we have combination from 0 0 0 0 to actually it is from 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1 but as we are talking about the BCD numbers so the combination will go from 0 0 0 0 to 1 0 0 1 यानी 0 से लेके 9 तक हमारा combinations of the input होगा. 4 number of inputs are there and how many number of outputs from starting from D0 to D9. कौन सा आउटपुट हाई होगा वो किस चीज पे डिपेंड करेगा? दैट विल डिपेंड ऑन द नंबर ऑफ इनपुट्स, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ इनपुट्स. 0 0 0 0 के लिए D0 will be 1. Similarly for 0 0 0 1 D1 will be 1 and for all one output will be high at one time depending on the combination of the inputs. So again the next step will be we will make the expressions for D0 to D9. D0 के लिए हमारे पास expression क्या आ जाएगा? It will be A bar B bar C bar D bar and similarly for all outputs we will have different expressions. What are the expressions? This is for D0 A bar B bar C bar D bar. D1 is A bar B bar C bar D and for all the outputs you will, these are the expressions for all the outputs, and corresponding to these outputs you will make the circuit diagram. Again we are using AND gates because it is the simple expressions we can make using AND gates only. So here these are A bar, again B bar, C bar, D and D bar. And ये जो यहाँ से जो मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट है, जैसे जो फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन है दैट इज A bar, then we have B bar, C bar, D bar. All the inputs are connected to a AND gate, and the output of the AND gate will give me the first output D naught, that is equal to A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Similarly, this is D1, D2, D3. So कोई भी सर्किट, कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशनल सर्किट अगर मुझे डिजाइन करना है, ऑलवेज द स्टेप्स आर सेम. क्या क्या स्टेप हैं? सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, वी हैव रियलाइज्ड, वी हैव फाइंड द रिलेशन बिटवीन इनपुट एंड आउटपुट. उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंगली हम क्या करते हैं, ट्रुथ टेबल बनाते हैं. आफ्टर ट्रुथ टेबल व्हाट यू डू, यू राइट द एक्सप्रेशंस फॉर all the outputs, and the last step is realize the given outputs using gates. कोई भी गेट यूज कर सकते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पे अभी हमने कौन सा गेट यूज किया, we have used AND gate here. Okay, so this was about BCD to decimal decoder. Let us take some example of realization of the Boolean functions using the decoder circuit. अभी कैसे पता चलता है कि कोई भी एक्सप्रेशन के लिए हमने कौन सा डिकोडर यूज करना है, दैट यू विल नो अगेन. जिस तरह से हम के मैप के लिए डिसाइड करते थे कि जो नंबर ऑफ मैक्सिमम वेरिएबल आया है, जो मैक्सिमम वेरिएबल है उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंगली हम डिसाइड करते थे कि कितने वेरिएबल का के मैप हमारा यूज होगा. सिमिलरली हेयर इन डिकोडर सर्किट्स आल्सो विल डिसाइड व्हिच डिकोडर वी हैव टू यूज. Here in the present example maximum output is 7. So अभी हमने 3 to 8 लाइन डिकोडर किया था. So डिकोडर में हमारे पास मैक्सिमम आउटपुट क्या थी, D7, it was 1 1 1. So this present example will be solved using 3 to 8 line decoder. The realization is very simple using decoder circuits. यहाँ पे हमें क्या है, दो एक्सप्रेशन गिवन है, F1 and F2. F1 is sigma M1247 and F2 is sigma M3567. तो हम क्या करेंगे, एक सिंगल 3:8 लाइन डिकोडर से हम ये दोनों बुलियन फंक्शंस जो हैं वो रियलाइज कर सकते हैं. कैसे? दिस इज द ब्लॉक डायग्राम ऑफ 3:8 line decoder. 3 inputs are there, A, B, C, and correspondingly 8 outputs starting from D0 to D7 are है. क्या करेंगे, 1 2 4 7 is given. So हम क्या करेंगे, we will pick D1, D2, D4 and D7, and all these inputs will be connected to OR gate. क्योंकि इनमें से कोई एक भी हाई हो तो आउटपुट क्या आना चाहिए, हाई आना चाहिए. So this will be realization of F1. Similarly, the second function is sigma M3567. So what we will do, we will pick 3, 5, 6 and 7. और इन सबको पिक करके हम क्या करेंगे, एक और गेट पे लगा देंगे. वी विल कनेक्ट इट टू द और गेट एंड द आउटपुट विल बी सेकेंड फंक्शन. सी हाउ सिंपल इट इज. अगेन वी डू नॉट हैव एनी नीड टू सॉल्व द के मैप्स. सिंपली फ्रॉम द आउटपुट्स of the decoder you will pick the desired one, will connect it to the desired gate, and the output of the gate will give you the expressions directly. Let us take one more example. Here we have F1 is equal to pi m 0135 and F2 is equal to pi m 1367. इस केस को सॉल्व करने के लिए ये हमारे पास क्या है, मैक्स टर्म्स हैं. दीज आर द मैक्स टर्म्स, और मैक्स टर्म्स को हम क्या करते हैं, पॉज फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. पॉज फॉर्म यानी जीरो फिलिंग, जैसे हमने के मैप में किया था. बट हियर हाउ विल वी सॉल्व into decoder circuit? The very simple method is just convert these expressions into the min term form. तो जब आप इसको min term form में convert करेंगे तो आपके पास जो expression है वो क्या आ जाएगा, f1 का जो expression आ जाएगा after converting into min term, it will come out to be sigma small m. जो वेरिएबल नहीं है वो हम यहाँ पर लिख देंगे 2, 4, 6 and 7. ये तो हमारा एक्सप्रेशन हो गया f1 का. सिमिलरली यू विल राइट द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर f2. f2 विल बी सिग्मा m 0, 1 है, 2 नहीं है, 3 है, 4 नहीं है, 5 भी नहीं है, 6 and 7 is available. So these two equations we got in terms of min term. तो अगेन हमारे पास बिल्कुल सेम वैसा ही एक्सप्रेशन आ गया जैसे अभी हमने पिछले एग्जाम्पल में किया है. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल अगेन यूज 3:8 लाइन डिकोडर, और जो जो आउटपुट्स आपको चाहिए उसको हम क्या करेंगे, और गेट पे लगा देंगे. D2, D4, D6 and D7. Again OR gate, the output of the OR gate will give you F1 ABC. Okay, and the second is 0, 2, 4 and 5. So we will pick all these and again connect it to the OR gate, and the output of the OR gate will give you F2. So this was the example of the decoder circuits, how you can solve different Boolean expressions using decoder circuits. कैसे डिसाइड किया था, मैक्सिमम जो वेरिएबल होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल डिसाइड कि कौन सा डिकोडर मुझे यूज करना है. 3 to 8 लाइन डिकोडर यूज करना है, 4 to 16 लाइन डिकोडर यूज करना है, या BCD to डेसिमल डिकोडर यूज करना है. सो यू कैन प्रैक्टिस सम मोर एग्जांपल्स बाय टेकिंग different Boolean expressions using decoder circuit. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.